Decorator design pattern is one of the structural design pattern. Decorator pattern is used when we wish to add or enhance the behavior of an object at the runtime. Here we will see how to modify a car. A person can ask for a passenger car with basic functionalities, or a simple basic car, or even he can decorate a luxury car with passenger and basic amenities, or passenger car with luxury look, or luxury car with basic functionalities. Let's jump into code and check how to implement in Java. We will create a person class who will decorate his car according to his wish. Let's have a car interface, an abstract method design, then we will have the base model, that is basic car, and implement car interface. And override the design method and print basic car details. We will then have the decorator. It also implements car interface and override the design method. Here we will have car variables, and in constructor we will take input parameter car and assign it to this.car. And in design method we will call this.car.design method. Now we will have passenger car which extend decorator class. And in constructor we will call the decorator class constructor using super keyword. And we will override the design method and call decorator design, and then we will design the passenger class. Similarly, we will have luxury car and have luxury car design. Now a passenger can have only basic car with basic car design, or passenger car with basic car functionalities. Let's compile and run it. Passenger got his basic passenger car. Let's have a basic luxury car. It's successfully printed. And then luxury passenger basic class, LP car. LP car.design will provide luxury car with passenger and basic facilities. Or we can have a plain or simple basic car. So what happens if we call basic.design? It just runs basic design method. When we run passenger design, it first initializes the decorator constructor with basic car and it runs super.design means basic car design and then passenger car design. Similarly, for luxury car, first it assigns basic car to decorator and then basic design, then luxury design is printed. Luxury passenger is complicated. It first initializes the luxury car, which in turn initializes the decorator with passenger class. And when we deep dive into passenger, it internally initializes decorator with basic class. Then it comes out and print passengers design and after that luxury design. This is how decorator design pattern is implemented. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Subscribe to codeSpace for latest video and upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.